Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Outlook emails to a new computer using the most reliable method. Let's get into it. First, access your Outlook web account. If you don't want to deal with complex backup files, the easiest way to grab specific important emails is through the web browser. Head over to the Outlook login page, outlook.live.com, and sign in with your credentials. Navigate through your inbox or use the search bar to find the specific email you need to transfer, especially those containing important attachments or sensitive files. Next, download the email, EML versus MSG. Once you have the email open, you need to save it as a physical file on your current computer. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the email message header. Select Download or Save As. Now you get to choose your format. EML format. This is the most universal format. It can be opened by almost any email app like Apple Mail, Gmail, or Windows Mail on your new computer. MSG format. This is a native Outlook format. Choose this if you are certain you will be using the Outlook desktop app on your new machine, as it preserves Outlook-specific metadata perfectly. Lastly, transfer to the new computer. Now that the email is saved as a file in your Downloads folder, it's ready to be moved. Move the downloaded file to a USB drive or upload it to a cloud service like OneDrive or Google Drive. On your new computer, simply drag the file from your USB or cloud storage directly into your new Outlook window or double-click it to open it. Unlike a full database migration, this method allows you to hand-pick only the most critical files, ensuring your new computer stays organized and clutter-free from the start. And that's pretty much it. To transfer specific emails in 2026, log in to Outlook Web, locate your important messages, and download them as EML or MSG files. Once saved, these files act just like any other document that you can move via USB or cloud to your new computer and open instantly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.